White-haired gardener here. Today I'm going to show you how to get free tomato plants. Walk this way. No, this way. You're going to need scissors, a cup, and water. Remember from a previous video, I had talked about tomato suckers. Now, this is where you're going to get your free plants. This plant right here, probably would be better to see it on this side. This right here, that's in the little wedge, is a tomato sucker. Now, I'm going to cut this. We're going to toss this in some water. Now, remember when I was talking about the little fuzzies? I don't know if you can see this or not. Little fuzzies that are along the stem. These will all turn into roots. Take this little sucker, put it in some water for about 10 days or so, and it will start making roots. Now I will show you one that I have done about 2 weeks ago or so, maybe 10 days, and he will be ready to go into the ground, so come with me again. Now this tomato sucker has been in water for some time, a few days or so, and look at all the roots that's on him now. Isn't that great? All those little fuzzies made roots. Now he's ready to go in the ground, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, I've dug the hole. Now I'm going to do my handy dandy egg again, which I don't know, I think that it's pretty handy. It adds a little bit of extra nutrients and a little bit of calcium. Now, I don't know how helpful this is. I've always done it, and you know, I've never had a problem with blossom end rot, which is a lack of calcium being taken up by the roots. Now I'll take this little guy. I'm going to trim off his lower branches because that's going to be underground, and there's really no reason he won't have any use for him. So now we've got this, just like that, and I'm going to plant him deep, as I mentioned before. We'll put him down up to his neck, really. Set them down in here, put the dirt around him, and I'll water him in really nicely and everything. But you'll see that he should start just shooting up, really, because he's got a nice root system after being in that water. And as long as I, keep an eye on him and make sure I don't forget to water him like I did that poor pot in the plant, he should go just fine. Now I'll mound it up a little bit because every part that's under the dirt will get more roots. And now that he's got a decent root system, he should do quite well. Now that is how you get your free tomato plants. If you have one tomato, every sucker has the possibility to make a brand new plant. So you really only have to buy one plant during a season if it's a variety that you like, and you can have tomatoes continually. As always, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.